All right, so this is the Khan Academy Section Slope Intercept Intro. Hopefully this will help you out. The big thing you need to remember is that slope intercept form is in the form y equals mx plus b. So the m, whatever's in front of the x, that always represents your slope or your rate of change. The constant or the number by itself is the y-intercept. Now sometimes they get a little bit tricky and they will reverse it and they will put the numbers in a backwards order, and you just kind of have to be clever about it and be like, oh, there's the y-intercept and here's the slope. So just kind of be careful of that. So a couple different types of questions they could ask. So the first type is, what is the slope of y equals 3x minus 1? Well, this one you can just simply look at the number that's in front of the x and you can say, well, the slope is 3. Now another question, a couple on down, they might say, well, what is the y-intercept? And that's where you're going to look at this back number and you're going to say the y-intercept, and they put it in ordered pair fashion. So if the y-intercept is -1, that means the x value is 0. Another question where they kind of do the backwards thing is this one where it says, what is the slope of y equals 7 minus 2x? So this is written in that backwards form. So the slope is actually this number right here in front of the x. So my slope is -2, and that's all I write in there. And if it says, what is the y-intercept? Well, the y-intercept is the number that's by itself. It's a constant. It can't change. It's not with the variable. So that is going to be 0, 2, since you are a y-intercept. Now, the other type of question that comes up with this one would be where it says, complete the equation of a line whose slope is -3 and whose y-intercept is 0, 5. So now they're kind of going backwards the other way. So if they say the slope is -3, well, it's y equals -3x. So there's my slope part. And then if the y-intercept is 0, +5, then my y-intercept is just +5. Be very careful that you remember to put the x in here. If you forget the x, they're going to mark it wrong. I think they'll have a box just wanting you to put that part. They actually have the y equals there for you already. They might give you a little bit of a tricky one that says, hey, what is the slope of y equals -6? Well, that really is y equals 0x minus 6. So for this one, my slope is actually 0. All right, and remember, the line y equals -6, we learned this in some previous Khan lessons. Y equals -6 is a horizontal line that crosses right there. So that's the line y equals -6. And remember, horizontal lines always have a slope of 0. So hopefully this is enough to help you out and get you through this first slope intro section.